मुहतरम मुकर्रम सामीन किराम, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अर्राबततुल आलमिया लिखरीजी अल अज़हर शरीफ से पाकिस्तान से ही नहीं बल्कि पाकिस्तान से बाहर से भी तालिब इल्मों ने, उलमाए किराम ने इस्तिफादा किया और आज इंशाअल्लाह वो डिग्री भी हासिल करेंगे। उन्हीं में से मोहम्मद ज़ीशान क़ादरी जो कि लंदन से थे, उन्होंने वो भी शरीक हुए। अभी उनका पैगाम आपके सामने वीडियो की सूरत में चलाया जाएगा।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मद व अला आलिहि व सहबिहि व बारिक व सल्लिम। In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful, countless salutations upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa barik wasallam, upon his all family members, companions and all the believers. First of all, I would like to congratulate, I would like to wish all of you Milad Mubarak. I supplicate in the court of Allah Almighty, may we all receive the blessings and the bounties of this month, inshaAllah. It is a great favor of Allah Almighty that He has granted us the opportunity to complete the invaluable course Ad-Dawra At-Tarbiyah, which was arranged by Al-Munazzama Al-Alamiyya, Farah Pakistan and Azhar University, Egypt. Today we all are very pleased to attend this gathering where we are going to be granted a certificate of completion, inshaAllah. Indeed, it is an indescribable honor to be a seeker of Islamic teachings and Islamic sciences, especially in the modern age of social development and technological advancement. And this becomes even more of an honor and privilege when you receive this knowledge from the historical university, from an ancient and established institute of the world like Azhar University. I feel myself very fortunate that I attended this course at Dawra At-Tarbiyah from Al-Azhar University, and there were highly qualified and learned scholars who delivered the various lectures and seminars on contemporary issues, contemporary topics related to Islam and Islamic teachings, and they also answered all the questions of the participants in a very intellectual and helpful manner. I have had opportunity to study in and out Pakistan with multiple universities, and which allowed me to be in the company of great scholars. However, the unique and special thing what I have encountered on this course at Dawra Tarbiyah from Egypt, from Azhar University, the balanced approach and the moderate approach of the scholars of Al-Azhar University. It is very inspiring and influential that they keep the balanced approach and the moderate approach in order to project and promote the message of Islam, particularly in the contemporary times where Islam and its followers are associated with narrow-mindedness, extreme thoughts and rigid behavior. And this is the exact vision of Dr. Uzair Sahib Al-Azhari, who is the head of Al-Munazzama Al-Alamiyya, Farah Pakistan. And he wants to work in Pakistan with the same objectives, with the same aims, to promote the message of love, to promote the message of compassion, to promote the message of tranquility within interfaith and intrafaith communities. And today I confidently assure to Dr. Sahibzada Uzair Mahmood Al-Azhari my support and the support of all the participants, and we assure that we are with you on your mission to promote the message of love across Pakistan, particularly and generally across the globe. And inshallah ta'ala, you start your mission and you will find all of us standing firmly with you inshallah ta'ala all the time. At the end, I congratulate Dr. Sahibzada Uzair Mahmood Al-Azhari to arrange this beautiful course and to arrange this beautiful gathering and to have the great vision for Pakistan. May Allah bless you and your team in order to arrange this beautiful program. Thank you.